Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize VirtualBox USB pass-through permissions easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authorize VirtualBox USB pass-through permissions, start by opening VirtualBox on your computer. Make sure you have administrative rights to apply the necessary changes. Ensure that the VirtualBox extension pack is installed. You can download it from the VirtualBox website if it isn't already present. Next, connect your USB device to your computer. In VirtualBox, select the virtual machine you want to use with the USB device. Click on the Settings button located in the toolbar. In the Settings menu, navigate to the USB section on the left sidebar. Check the box to enable USB controller if it is not already checked. Choose whether to use USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, depending on your device's compatibility. Click on the Add icon, which looks like a USB plug with a plus sign. A list of available USB devices will appear. Select your connected USB device from the list. Click OK to confirm the selection and close the Settings menu. Now, open the terminal or command prompt on your host operating system. If you're using Windows, type VBox Manage List Expack to verify the extension pack installation. For Linux or Mac OS, you may need to add your user to the Boxesers group. You can do this by typing sudo usermod ag boxesers your username. Replace your username with your actual username. Log out and back in for the changes to take effect. Return to VirtualBox and start your virtual machine. Once the virtual machine boots up, check if the USB device is recognized. You should now be able to use the USB pass-through feature successfully. If you have any issues, ensure that your user has the necessary permissions and that the device is not in use by another application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.